now looking at the Siemens screens controlling the Siemens line, which is the line away from the wall. Go ahead and cycle start. And then the pallets do go ahead and take off. We now press and hold on the screen, and we're going to switch applications. Now we're able to switch applications from the Siemens controlled one, which we are on now, to the Allen Bradley one, which we're going on now without unplugging from the same unit. I go back up here, press open, and select the demo that we want to do. We're going to switch to the AB demo and hit OK. It will now start up and launch the Allen Bradley HMI screens. We're on the system overview, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the line closest to the wall, which is controlled by the Allen Bradley, in auto and start it up. You'll see it moving. While we're online with it, with the Allen Bradley, we can go ahead and change the sound horn button with an online edit. We started the UWin software for the Toughpanel HMI. We'll hit the edit program online. It will now read the screens, the database, and alarms. Hit OK. I'll move to the system overview screen, which is currently on display. What we're going to do is we're going to change the background color of the silence horn while we're online with the screen up and the machine running. I can right click on the silence horn, hit edit. I'm going to change the background of the off text from black to blue, hit OK. Now when I save, it's going to offer to save it to the panel only or the panel and the hard drive. As a side note, the entire application is saved on the HMI, so if you don't have the original, you can always upload it and start from there. For now, we're going to save changes to panel only. And we can see that the sound horn button has changed background from black to blue. The other way, I'm going to double click on the sound horn, and we're going to change it from blue back to black again. We'll hit save. Let's save the channels, change it to the panel only. And the button is back to a background. Alright, so the Allen Bradley line is running currently. We're going to go ahead and reset the mode to stop it. So that has stopped running. Now we will switch back application over to the Siemens. Again, we relaunch the launcher. And we change it back to the Siemens and hit OK. All this time the Siemens line has been running. Once the network communication is reestablished, the data is updating, and we can go ahead and hit cycle stop. We'll get some information here. And it stopped. We were able to do all this without unplugging any wires or cables for communications. Now, we can also remotely access the Uticor Toughpanel. We enter the Ethernet address and we'll hit OK. It'll ask for a login and password. This is created in the application, and you can control whether the user has access to just view or to view and control. In this application, I've got set up for view and control. It goes ahead and reads the screens. Currently the machine is stopped. You can see the mode there. Now from here I can go into auto. I'm going to press the button. It'll ask me if I really want to do this, since it is a remote access controlling motion. Select do not ask me for the next 2 minutes and hit yes. Now I'll go ahead and do it again. I'll click and hold auto, and the machine is now started in auto. It's finding its location, and then it'll take off. It has the ability to screen capture, so if you want to capture something for future reference, you can just save it to your hard drive, and you're all set.